SwifDoo PDF is an all-in-one PDF tool that lets you edit, convert, compress, and manage PDF files with a wide range of useful features. You can also batch process multiple files at once, which can save you a lot of time. There are also image converter tools available, so you can easily convert images to different formats. And in this video, I'll show you exactly how to claim 6 months of SwifDoo PDF Software Pro access for free. So let's get started. First, open the SwifDoo website and download the software to your computer. Once the download is complete, install the software. After the installation is complete, open SwifDoo PDF and log into your account. Now enter the activation code shown on the screen. That's it. Your 6-month Pro subscription is now activated. If you found this useful, subscribe to the channel for more tools, software, and free offers like this.